Marco Garcia, and this is my research project on the relationship between gas prices and driving habits. The research question of this project is if gas prices affect the way that people drive. And then to answer this, I interviewed 30 people and got their opinion on whether they thought that gas prices affected the way that they drive. And so I'm just going to show a couple clips of that now. Do you think that gas prices influence the speed at which you drive?
I think they do. When the gases are cheaper, I tend to go faster since I'm not scared of wasting gas.
All right, thank you for your time. Slower or faster?
With the current gas prices, I drive slower to save gas and not waste it too much.
Do you think that the current gas prices influence the way you drive?
Yes.
And do you prefer to drive faster or slower?
Slower.
So, Beta, do you believe that gas prices influence the way you drive?
Yes, because now that it's really expensive, I have to drive less and stuff like that. I can't go to all the places that I'm
Okay. And while you drive, do you prefer to drive faster or slower?
I'd say slower. Yeah.
All right, thank you for your time.
Yes, sir. Say it louder, say it louder.
Do you think that the gas economy affects the way that you drive?
Yes, it does.
And do you prefer to drive slower or faster?
I prefer to drive slow.
Do gas prices influence the way you drive?
Yes.
And do you prefer to drive slow or fast?
I prefer to drive fast.
Do you think that gas prices affect the way you drive?
I think it does, yeah.
And do you prefer to drive slow or fast?
I would probably drive pretty slow,
All right.
like normal.
All right, thank you. So, as you can see from a couple of the clips that just played of the interviews, almost every single one of them believe that gas prices affected the way that they drive, and most of them said that they preferred to drive slow. And now, going from that small sample of the people that we just saw to the full 30 people that were interviewed, we can see that majority of them answered yes to the question if gas prices affected the way they drove, which is about 93.3%, with only 2 people answering no, which is about 6.7%. And for the second question on how they prefer driving in terms of speed, 11 of the 30 said that they preferred to drive fast, which is about 36.7%, with the other 19 saying that they prefer to drive slow, which is about 63.3%. Oh, in summary of the statistics from the 30 people which answered the questions, 93.3% of them said that gas prices did affect driving, and 6.7% of them said that gas prices did not affect driving. And 36.7% of the 30 people who answered said that they prefer to drive fast, with 63.3% of them saying that they prefer to drive slowly. And so to help put this data into perspective, I included a bar graph showcasing the both questions, which will help put into understanding the next topic that I'm about to go through. So here I have a graph from the Department of Energy showcasing the relationship between speed and fuel economy. And what this graph shows is that the increase in speed actually decreases the fuel economy, or miles per gallon, of a vehicle. So in turn, driving faster can actually decrease the fuel efficiency of a car. Also, according to the same study, it can be assumed that each 5 mile per hour driven over 50 miles per hour is like paying an additional 27 cents per gallon for gas. And using that data, we can find out the benefits of slowing down 5 to 10 miles per hour, assuming that gas costs $3.83 per gallon. And so tying all this data back together, what does it tell us? Well, the overwhelming majority of people surveyed are aware that gas prices affect their driving, and most of them respond by slowing down, which the Department of Energy confirms is one of the most effective ways to save fuel. One limitation worth noting is that our sample size is only 30 people, which may not fully represent the broader population. Overall, though, the data strongly suggests that rising gas prices do influence driving behavior. And that is my research project on the relationship between gas prices and driving habits. And thank you for watching. Please, Romero, let me pass, please.